Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this particular video I'm going to be showing you another strategy you can use to make money in the market. This particular strategy was brought to me by one of my students. Collins is from the United States. He actually tried out this particular strategy and he has been making a whole lot of money with it. So I tried out this particular strategy as well. I see how powerful it is. That's the reasons why I'm actually coming right here to share it with you guys. This particular strategy is a very powerful one and I want you to try it out and let me know how it actually works, guys. So guys, this particular strategy works pretty much well with OTC. For those of you trading OTC, you can actually try it out. I think today is Saturday. You can actually try it out and let me know how this strategy works for you guys. So this strategy comes with just one indicator. It comes with Ichimoku indicator. So what you need to do is to come over to your indicator section, then you can actually locate it right at this particular level. This is just the indicator we're going to be using. Then once you've actually plotted it right here, the next thing you guys to do is come over to the setting level right here. Then right at this particular level, the Tenkan cent is actually 9, the Kijong cent is 26, while the Central Spark B is actually 52. And right here on the style level, we're going to actually make use of this particular color. I think they are all default, but the one thing you need to note is that you're just going to turn this off right here. This Chico span, I don't know, I'm not good with this pronunciation, but you could see Chico span section right here. You just have to check it out, then you leave the remaining one as a default. So when you're done, just click on save. So this strategy, I'm actually trading it with 15 seconds candle time frame, and I'm using the Japanese candlestick. Not only that, guys, I'm also trading this particular strategy with 1 minute trade time. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, this is how this strategy works. In the case of a sell trade, what you need to put into consideration is this two line right here, the red line and the yellow line. So if you are going for a sell trade, the best thing you need to consider is the intersection of those two lines. The red line has to be at the top while the yellow line at the down, giving you a good confirmation to enter a trade. And not only that, you must be able to sight a stronger candlestick before you place your trade, guys. While in the case of a buy trade, you should be able to see the two lines intersect each other, but right at this particular level, the yellow line will be at the top while the red line below it. I hope you're getting these are things you need to put into consideration. So towards the end of this video as well, I'm also going to be showing you certain things you also need to put into consideration before you can actually enter a trade, and also certain factors you need to put in mind before you can actually take a trade. I do advise you to try this out on your demo account to see how properly well it works before you apply it on your real account. And also guys, if you are interested with the broker I'm using Pocket Option Broker. The link is in the description. When you use my promo code, you're going to have 100% bonus on all the deposit you're going to be making, guys. So guys, for you to better understand this particular strategy, I'm going to go into the market right away. When I have an opportunity, I'm going to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. So guys, you find an opportunity right at this particular level. I'm going to be entering a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. So guys, the first thing we consider right here before we enter a trade is pretty much simple, which is the crossing over of these two lines. You can see the yellow line and the red line intersect each other. And not only that, guys, you could be able to see that the yellow line is actually above the red line. That is in the case of a buy trade, guys. So another thing I do advise you to note is that entering a trade earlier is pretty much important. Assuming I see this opportunity earlier, I would have entered the trade right at this particular level, but so far we are still having a very good moment right at this particular level, guys. So another thing you need to consider also is the consistency of a candlestick. You need to have a very strong candlestick confirmation before you can actually place a trade. As you can see right here, guys, we hit a very good profit right here, guys, with a very good profit. But I do advise you, anytime you're taking a trade, do ensure you enter the trade earlier. I hope you're getting it right. Anytime the trade has actually gone too far, do not risk it, rather you just have to let it go. I hope you're getting it right, guys. So guys, I have to go into the market again. When I find another opportunity, I'm going to come right here, guys, and explain to you how you can actually trade this particular strategy. So guys, you find another opportunity right at this particular level. Let's actually jump into the trade right at this particular level, guys. So guys, the reasons why we're entering this trade, guys, is pretty much simple. As I've said initially, the consistency of our candlesticks are pretty much important, guys. And not only that, you can see our two lines intersect each other right at this particular level. In the case of a buy trade, the yellow line has to be above the red line, guys. These are just the basic thing you need to consider, guys. And also, You need to see the consistency of your candlestick before you can actually place a trade, guys. This is a very powerful strategy, a very simple one also. So guys, we have 20 seconds to the end of the trade. Let's wait and see how this trade will turn out to be. So guys, we have 3 seconds to the end of the trade, and as you can see also, we hit another good profit, guys. This is a very beautiful trade, guys. So guys, I'm going to go into the market once again and find another opportunity. I'm going to come right here and explain to you how you can be able to make use of this particular strategy. So guys, just find the sell trade right here. I'm going to be entering a very sharp trade right at this particular level. And the reasons why I enter this trade, as I've always said, is pretty much simple, guys. The first thing I confirm right here is the crossing over of the line. You can see the two line crosses over right here. And you can see right at this particular level, the red line is above the yellow line, which indicate that the market is actually going on a downward direction. Guys, not only that, you can see the consistency of our candlestick right here. This also gives us another good indication to actually place a trade. I hope you're getting it right. So this is our confirmation we really get right here before we actually place a trade. So guys, we have 20 seconds again to the end of the trade. Let's see how the trade will turn out to be. So guys, we lost the trade right there, but we still have to enter another trade. Let's still enter another sell trade right here. Let's see if we can be able to make money. So guys, you can actually try out this particular strategy on 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes 3 minutes to really know the one that actually works better for you guys. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, we have 20 seconds to the end of the trade, and let's see how the trade will turn out to be, guys. So guys, as you can see, we make a very good profit at that particular level. The network was kind of glitching. That is the reasons why it was kind of ceasing, guys. So as you can see right here, we make a very good profit. So right at this particular level, we lost the trade because the market is trying to form what we call a lower high right here. And when the market comes back to form a lower low, we still enter the trade right here and we make a very good amount of money, guys. That's the reasons why I do advise you to really try out other time frame. This is actually a trading. You must be able to really find certain things that really works for you. You can try out 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes to really know the one that really works better. I hope you're getting it right. So guys, for you to really know this strategy works pretty much well, guys, I'll have to go to the market again. When I find another opportunity, I have to come right here and explain to you what you need to see before you enter a trade. I think that will be my last trade, guys. So guys, I think we're having a very good moment right here for a buy trade. We need a strong bullish candlestick right at this particular level before we can enter a trade. So it has to go good. This is the right time for us to enter a buy trade right at this particular level, guys. Now the reasons why we're entering a buy trade, guys, pretty much simple. I believe you should be able to tell me the reasons why we're entering a trade, and I believe it's really kind of simple. The first thing we need to see is the intersection of these two lines. You can see this is the yellow line, this is the red line. It has to both intersect each other, giving us the trend confirmation. Another thing you need to see is that the yellow line has to be above the red line to give you a very strong confirmation into the trade, and you must be able to see a consistency of a strong candlestick. We have a very strong candlestick right here before you can actually place a trade, guys. This is a very simple strategy. I think this is one of the simplest strategy I've actually released so far. So I'm actually giving a credit to one of my student colleagues from United States. I think he's from Washington DC. You can see right here, guys, we also make another good profit right here. I hope you're getting it right. So I'm able to move this account from $28,000 to $32,000. This is a very good one right here, guys. I want you guys to try it out, guys, and let me know how it works with you guys. This is a very simple strategy. This particular strategy, I'm actually giving it 80% winning rate, guys. It is actually very powerful with 80% winning rate, guys. So this is where I'm going to stop on this particular video. If you love this video and you really want to see more of this video, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our amazing videos, guys. Till I see you again in another video, guys. Don't give up in trading. Keep trading, and bye for now.